In the name of God, hello my dear friends, I'm Rosa and today I'm going to teach you how to make this ellipse knot pillow. Watch the video completely to see how do I make it. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Ask any question in the comments. I will answer it soon. Okay, what do we need? A starchy, thick velvet fabric, as you see, a polyca pipe, a cane, some polyester fibers, and these two. As you see, I sew the head and the tail together and covered it with a leather. It's so easy to make. So make it at home and enjoy having that. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.